Wow, it looks so different from what it was. All this shit got cleared out. Look at that. My guess is they got sick of the homeless population coming in here and hiding. That's my guess. So now they got these guys clearing out all the brush. Wow. This whole thing was all brush before. That whole bank right there, brush. They just cleared it out. What? My authorized?
Yeah, you have the consent.
Why? Who are you?
It's against the law.
It's against the law?
I think so.
So I can't take your picture right now?
Well, you're not supposed to without my consent.
You don't know.
You can take it, but you can't post it.
You don't know what you're talking about, dude.
Oh, you don't?
No, you don't.
Call 911 and get him over here and we'll see.
Why the f would I call 911?
I'm just saying, if you want to find out.
Go ahead, man. I ain't scared of the cops. I film the cops all f***ing day.
I'm scared of the cops, tell me.
Film the cops all day, dude.
Alright. The answer to that question is yes.
Hey, we all have the right to record anything we can see. You have the right, I have the right. Even people. Alright? Now you know. Now you know. Alright. Am I authorized? Get out of here, dude. What is that, the camera police or what, man? Shit.